Okay, here's another volume question. Once again, having a little trouble with volume can be a difficult, geometry or measurement is always kind of difficult. Remembering your formulas, which one to use. So let's read the question. Hollis put a layer of boxes in the bottom of a container. Each box has a volume of 1 cubic foot. The base layer of boxes in the container is shown. Here's the bottom or base layer. The base layer is the bottom layer. Hollis will need 8 layers, 8 of these layers to completely fill the container. What is the volume of the container in cubic feet? So it's saying that she needs this base layer and then she needs 8 of them to fill up the container. And so it's asking, once she puts all those layers in, what's the volume? Okay, well, we know that volume is how many cubes can fit inside of the container. So all we need to do is think of all the cubes it will take to fill it up. And the way we do that is we take the number of boxes that are in the base, and then if we have that many boxes on each layer, well, what operation do we use? Are all the layers the same? Yeah, they should be. So we are looking for a total and we have equal groups. What operation is that? Well, you should already know it's multiplication because we know we multiply when we're looking for volume. So we need to first count the boxes in the base layer, and I can do that by quickly counting across and down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 across, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down. So 6 times 6, I know that there are 36 boxes right here. Well, if there's 36 boxes in each layer and she needs 8 layers, I need to multiply my 36 in each layer times the layers. 6 times 8 is 48. 3 times 8 is 24, plus 4 is 28. So our answer is 288 cubic feet. This part, I think, always confuses people. Each box has a volume of 1 cubic foot. That is only telling you that the boxes, first of all, are cubes, and second, that their measurement is in feet, because they need to be very specific about what our measurement is. And so they want to tell you that it's a cubic foot because all of your answers are going to be in feet, okay? The most picked incorrect answer was 36. So explain to me why the correct answer is 288 and why a student might have picked 36.